I'm gonna be turning this $50 into any amount today. Okay, so I deposited $50 over here, and I expect to make a good return from this. All right, guys, I'm gonna be entering my my trade. Okay, so right here on gold, so USD. Okay, I saw a support zone which was broken. All right, guys, and this support zone was broken, and there was already a retest, as you can see over there. Okay, but for now, let me show you. Okay, there is a trend line that was also broken. Okay, and I'm marking it for you right here. All right, guys, so as you can see the trend line, we can switch to line chart. Okay, as you can see, that was a trend line that is broken. Okay, as I'm marking right there, and that is a retest on that trend zone over there. All right, guys, and on top over here we have a double top. Okay, that shows a reversal. All right, guys, and as you can see right here, we have a Quasimodo. Okay, this is a Quasimodo influence over there, as you can see. Okay, we have a left shoulder and the right shoulder which was forming. I was gonna enter on that, but well, I was waiting for more confirmation, guys. Okay, so I didn't enter on the Quasimodo, and I waited for the market, okay, to retest on the support zone that was broken. All right, guys, so right now we have a support zone that is already broken, and as you can see over there, there is a retest on that trend line. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be entering my sales, as you can see over here. And yeah, I hope we get a massive profits from this. Okay, so all right, guys, I'm gonna be entering my sales right now. Okay, I'm gonna be entering my sales right now. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go full margin on this $50 account right now. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go full margin, bruh, full margin. All right, guys, so let me do it for you. Okay, I will put my sell, selling me orders right here, some sort okay, full margin. All right, guys, yeah, full margin. Okay, and guys, make sure when you're trading you use risk management. Okay, guys, do not follow what I'm doing here, because you're gonna blow your account. Okay, if you do not do some risk management. Okay, guys, you need some good risk management to make money from this, guys. All right, guys, so I entered, and as you can see, our selling me orders are getting triggered right now. And as you can see on top right there, on a 2-hour time frame, okay, on top, as I'm marking right here, there is another resistance zone over there. Okay, I don't think the market is gonna surpass that level over there, so I just think that the market is gonna just fall. It's gonna fall. Okay, gold is gonna fall right now. Okay, and I expect the market to drop at that level, as I'm drawing over here. All right, guys, I expect the market to drop to this level. All right, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna be waiting, and yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, I went full margin on the account. Hey, guys, I went full margin. I left a little bit of space so that I don't blow the account. Okay, guys,
2,000 years later.
so what's up, guys? The moment we entered the market just started going down. Okay, but I wasn't on the charts, and well, the market retraced. I could have been adding more positions as the market was going down, but I wasn't on the charts. Okay, I wasn't on the charts, and that make the market went down. All right, guys, the market just went down almost to our TP, but then it retraced a little bit. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it, guys.